Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanks to the universe for this beautiful day. Welcome to Fluent English with MIShah. Confidence begins with the right mindset, and today I will help you unlock the secret to thinking in English effortlessly. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Do you find yourself translating from your native language before speaking in English? If yes, don't worry. In this lesson, I will share 5 powerful techniques to train your brain to think directly in English so you can speak more fluently and naturally. Let's dive in. Step 1. Surround yourself with English. The first step to think in English is to surround yourself with language. Listen to English podcasts, watch English movies, and read English books daily. The more English you expose yourself to, the faster your brain adapts to think in English. Try watching videos with subtitles first, then without subtitles to improve your comprehension. Step 2. Start naming things in English. Throughout your day, try naming objects around you in English. For example, when you see a chair, immediately think chair instead of translating from Bengali or any other language. Do this everything around you, like mobile phone, notebook, door, window. The more you do this, the more natural English will feel in your mind. Step 3. Practice thinking sentence. Once you can name things, start forming small sentences in your mind. For example, instead of thinking Bengali or any other language, think directly in English. Today, I will stay at home. Start with simple sentence and gradually increase complexity. Step 4. Talk to yourself in English. One of the best ways to think in English is to talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. I am making tea. I am going to market. You can also practice in front of the mirror. Don't worry about mistakes, just speak. Step 5. Practice with a timer. Set a timer for 1 minute and speak only in English about any topic. It could be about your day, your hobbies, or even what you see around you. This will train your brain to think in English quickly. Start with 1 minute and gradually increase the time. If you follow these 5 steps consistently, you will start thinking in English naturally without translating. Remember, fluency comes with practice, so challenge yourself every day. Did you find these tips helpful? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next lesson.